Another example of signal processing in JMSL using JSIN. Here we have two JSIN unit voice instruments. One is going to play a melody ints, and the other one is going to signal process that. Notice that they're both JSIN unit voice instrument, yet this one is a signal processor, and then this one isn't. Why is that? The reason is that filtered sawtooth BL, which is the JSIN circuit that is being passed into JSIN unit voice instruments constructor, implements unit voice. However, Warbler, which is a circuit in JSIN, which is being passed to the signal processing instrument, if we look at that, we see that it not only implements unit voice, but it also implements unit sync. Unit sync receives an input signal. So any JSIN unit voice instrument in JMSL that has a unit sync passed in to its constructor can serve as a signal processing instrument. The melody instrument is going to be played by a music shape, and the signal processing instrument is also going to be performed by a music shape. Here's where you patch the output of the melody instrument into the signal processing instrument. You use the add signal source method. Let's listen to it. Here we have the JMSL mixer. I've panned the melody playing a filtered sawtooth hard left, and the signal processor, this is the Warbler, hard right. We've got the signal processor and the melody both loaded up into music shape editor, and you can see that the melody has pitch, amplitude, hold. Those are the 4 standard dimensions, plus resonance, cutoff, and rate. So that's the contour of the cutoff dimension, that's the contour of the rate and resonance. Those affect the timbre of the sound that we're going to hear. And the signal processor has wobble depth, wobble frequency, in addition to the 4 standard duration, pitch, amplitude, and hold. All right, let's start this. There's a launch button that's hiding here. You can hear the frequency of the wobble. And the wobble depth. Let's make the depth really high for all the wobble elements. Let's make the frequency very high for all the wobble elements. Now we can taper them off so the wobble frequency will get a little slower. You would be able to record this performance to the hard drive by using the record wave button. And right now everything that JMSL is performing is being streamed to a stereo wave file. Polyphonic, multidimensional signal processing.